Could millions of immigrants living in the United States, including tens of thousands of Indian H1B visa holders, finally see a viable path to permanent residency? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down a major piece of immigration news coming out of Washington, D.C., California Senator Alex Padilla has reintroduced a bill that could radically change how green cards are awarded in America, potentially opening the door for over 8 million people. If you or someone you know is caught in the decades-long green card backlog, stick around, because here is exactly what you need to know. Let us explain what this bill actually proposes. The legislation is officially called the Renewing Immigration Provisions of the Immigration Act of 1929. It targets a very specific, forgotten section of U.S. immigration law known as the Registry Provisionum, or Section 249. Under current law, if you want to apply for permanent residency through the registry, you have to prove you've lived continuously in the U.S. since January 1st, 1972. That law hasn't been updated since 1986 because that cutoff date is over 50 years old. Virtually no one qualifies today. In fact, between 2015 and 2019, only 305 people adjusted their status under this rule. Senator Padilla's bill proposes a massive modernization. Instead of a fixed year in the past, it creates a rolling 7-year requirement. That means if you've lived continuously in the U.S. for at least 7 years, passed background checks, and have no criminal record, you would become eligible to apply for a green card. So, who actually stands to benefit from this? According to Senator Padilla's office, this change could cover over 8 million people. That includes dreamers, temporary protected status TPS holders, essential workers, children of long-term visa holders, and crucially, high-skilled workers on H1B visas. Now, why is this massive news for Indian professionals specifically? As many of you watching know, Indian tech workers and skilled professionals face some of the most brutal employment-based green card backlogs in history, with wait times stretching across decades due to per-country cap limits. By shifting the registry to a continuous 7-year residence standard, certain long-term H1B visa holders who have built their lives, paid taxes, and raised families in the US for years could bypass those traditional backlogs. Now, before anyone starts filling out applications, we have to talk about the political reality. This bill is not law yet. It is currently a proposal in its early legislative stages. For this measure to pass, it must be approved by both the Senate and the House before reaching the President's desk for a signature. Until that happens, zero immigration rules have changed, and the political landscape presents an uphill battle. With a Republican-controlled Congress and a tight partisan split in Washington, passing sweeping immigration reform is notoriously difficult. Opponents of the bill argue against expanding residency pathways, while supporters emphasize the economic contributions of long-term residents who are already embedded in the American workforce. So while it serves as a beacon of hope and a serious policy effort, its legislative path remains extremely steep. The bottom line? This bill shines a bright spotlight on the urgent need to modernize America's outdated immigration system. For millions waiting in line, it's a critical legislative effort to keep your eyes on. What do you think? Should Congress pass a rolling 7-year registry rule? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share this video with anyone tracking US visa news, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. To see a video on this topic, check out US Green Card Bill Breakdown. This report provides visual context on how Senator Alex Padilla's proposed registry update specifically impacts long-term H1B visa holders.